Ugh. These cars, guys, are just so much fun. Oh, that's nice. Whoa, very nice looking. Not so convinced with the electric, but you know, listen to that turbo exhaust. Another beautiful day here in England, guys. We're gonna get a little bit of street driving. I mean, sorry, town driving. Street driving, obviously we're going to do street driving, but it's a nice early on a Saturday morning. Hopefully the roads should be nice and quiet. There's a nice bit of windy road that I like to hit when the roads are quiet. And for those of you who are maybe new to the channel, guys, welcome firstly. Secondly, this engine has not got any ECU remaps or anything of the sort that I am aware of. This is, as far as I know, a stock engine. All I have done mod wise, many of you will know, is the turbo elbow on the inside of the bonnet, the silicone piece from Forge, and then the aftermarket exhaust from Toyo Catback. Well, Toyo the brand. Have fun. You hit this button right here and it's like a completely different car. The steering stiffens up, you know when it's time to go. And this is the thing, like, the car speaks to you so much, and I think that's what a lot of people miss when they get rid of these cars, is the raw experience that it provides for you. Let's get a little crack here. Oh no. Please turn right, please turn right. Please. Here. And you really do have a nice bit of confidence coming into them. Seats really holding me in there. Not that this is a race course, but you can still get the impression from hitting those roundabouts, like, it really just hugs you. The car just moves you with it, which is quite nice. Really responsive. Oh. Sorry guys, Saturday morning. Hello. Hello. nice roads in England. Ooh. Bloody bumps literally sent waves through. And even so guys, the aircon is on, and I think because of that turbo there is literally still just so much power delivery. I remember when I had my first 1.4 litre car, like you used to turn that aircon on and the car literally just disappeared. It's quite funny. How can you not enjoy the sound of this car? Honestly, so meaty for a 1.4. And that, folks, is another wrap. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. How can you not appreciate that as a car enthusiast that's got some stance to it? What a nice little hatchback. Anyways, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Lekker. Bye.